How prepared are you for the unexpected? This question might seem daunting, but it's one that demands contemplation. The world is unpredictable, and life can throw curveballs at us when we least expect it. So, today, we dive into the vital topic of emergency preparedness, more specifically, personalized emergency preparedness. Imagine you're a family of 5 with a toddler and an elderly grandparent. A generic emergency kit might not cater to your toddler's dietary needs or your grandparent's medication. In 2021, a family in California found themselves in this exact situation during a wildfire. Their generic emergency kit fell short in providing for their unique needs, leading to avoidable stress and hardship during an already challenging time. Or let's consider your geographic location. Living in a flood-prone area like Louisiana demands a different set of preparations than residing in earthquake-prone California. In 2023, a couple in Louisiana learned this the hard way when they moved from California and found their earthquake-centric emergency plan useless in the face of a severe flood. What about individual skill sets? A handyman might have a toolkit as part of his emergency kit, but what good would that do for someone with no knowledge of tools? A case in point is a woman from New York in 2022 who found herself with a toolkit but no idea how to use it during a power outage. Lastly, financial situations can play a significant role in emergency preparedness. A wealthy individual might be able to afford a top-of-the-line emergency kit, but what about a lower-income family? In 2024, a family in Detroit was lauded for their innovative low-cost emergency preparedness strategy, proving that being prepared doesn't always have to be expensive. The key takeaway here is that emergency preparedness isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about understanding your specific needs and creating a personalized plan. Factors such as family size, makeup, medical conditions, geographic location, individual skill sets, and financial situations can greatly impact the effectiveness of your plan. So don't leave your safety to chance. Empower yourself with the knowledge needed to face any crisis head-on. Remember, the first step towards a more resilient future is recognizing your personal needs for maximum survivability. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on emergency preparedness, survival skills, and proactive measures to safeguard your well-being. After all, the best defense against the unexpected is being prepared.